Hello dear friends, I am Dr. Hussaini and welcome to Medical and Health. Any odor produced from the vagina is called vaginal odor. Everyone's vagina has a mild odor that can change in response to sex, menstruation, pregnancy, and others. However, a strong and pleasant vaginal odor with a discharge may be a sign of a health problems like vaginitis. Your vaginal odor often depends on your pH level or how acidic your vagina is. Various types of bacteria live in your vagina. They make up what's called your vaginal flora. This bacteria exists in a delicate balance to keep your vagina at the right acidity level. Having a healthy pH prevents infections that cause a foul vaginal odor. On the other hand, imbalance in your vaginal flora may cause your vagina to smell fishy, musty, or generally unpleasant. It's normal for the vagina to have a mild, natural, and specific scent that is not too unpleasant. No odor can be considered as a natural vaginal odor because everyone's vagina has a unique scent, and that's completely normal. A vaginal odor that smells slightly sour or tangy may be a sign that the pH level in your vaginal flora is slightly more acidic than is typical. This smell is associated with the good bacteria in your vagina, Lactobacilli. Some people describe the odor as yeasty, similar to sourdough. A slightly sweet or bittersweet smell like a molasses or gingerbread may also be a sign that your pH levels have changed. Your vaginal discharge may smell slightly metallic when you are menstruating. This is because period blood contains iron. A vagina that smells like ammonia may be a sign that there is urine residue on your genitals or that you are dehydrated. A skunk-like scent or a smell similar to body odor may be a sign that you are stressed and your sweat glands are working overtime. Temporary vaginal odor is common and often resolves on its own. Odors may be related to hormonal changes or even diet. For example, foods with a strong odor like garlic or fish can cause odor changes in your vagina. An imbalance in your vaginal bacterial levels can lead to infection and inflammation, a condition called vaginitis. The most common types of vaginitis that cause unpleasant vaginal odors produce other symptoms too, like an abnormal vaginal discharge. Bacterial vaginosis, an infection that's caused by an imbalance in your vagina's flora. Bacterial vaginosis is responsible for the fishy smell most commonly associated with unpleasant vaginal odors. The fishy smell may be especially strong after sex. Another common symptom to look out for with bacterial vaginosis is a gray or grayish-white discharge, a sexually transmitted infection caused by a parasite. Trich doesn't always cause symptoms. When it does, it can cause a fishy odor similar to bacterial vaginosis or a musty smell. Another common symptom of trich is a greenish yellow discharge, a rare condition where the opening between your rectum and vagina allows feces to leak into your vagina. The leakage causes a foul-smelling discharge. Symptoms include heavy vaginal discharge with a strong odor. Symptoms can include a strong, bad-smelling discharge. If you forget to remove a tampon, you may eventually notice an odor like rotten meat. The smell goes away once you or a healthcare provider removes the tampon. If you're experiencing prolonged abnormal vaginal odor or odor accompanied by discharge, burning, and itching, you should see a healthcare provider. Untreated vaginitis can lead to vaginal infections that can spread to your uterus or fallopian tubes. You should especially seek medical care if you're pregnant. Pregnant people with vaginitis or vaginal odor are at higher risk of preterm birth, low birth weight, amniotic fluid infection, and other complications. Thanks for watching. Please tap the like button to support me, and also don't forget to subscribe me for more medical and health contents.